Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Multan Public School and College. The lecture today is for O-Level 9th class. The topic we discuss the topic of today is chapter 13, Acers and Bases. Acers and bases are the classes of the compounds which are very important in chemistry, and now we discuss from where we get the materials. The source is chemistry, federal chemistry, and we have to study what to study in this topic, acers and bases. There are different topics. For example, we will describe what is acid, what are the important acids, what are weak acids, what are organic acids, and we will discuss about different things about acids, like their properties, like their formulas, like their uses. All these things will be discussed in this topic. Now, what are the acers? What are the acers? Acers are the substances. Acers are the class of chemical substances which contain hydrogen ions in aqueous solutions. H positive ion, aqua mean in water as the only positive ion. Means acers are the substances which give H positive ion when they are dissolved in water. Acids are usually classified into two classes. One is mineral acids and the others are organic acids. What are the mineral acids? Mineral acids are the acids which are used as strong acids in the laboratory. Usually they are prepared synthetically. The others are the organic acids. The organic acids are the weaker acids usually. They are usually found in the plants, fruit plants, and different vegetables. They are also found in foodstuff. Some common examples will be described in the next slide. There are different organic acids like lactic acid, sour milk में पाया जाता है, oxalic acid, रुपा plants में पाया जाता है, citric acid, lime, lemons and citrus fruits में पाया जाता है, formic acid, insect bites और stinging nettles में पाया जाता है, and tartaric acid grape juice में, and acetic acid, very important acid, is found in vinegar. Malic acid एप्पल्स एंड पियर्स में पाया जाता है. There are different uses of acers. Acers have different uses, like if you see on the top, they are found in foodstuff. Acers में different foodstuffs में acers होता है. car batteries में acid use होता है, like sulfuric acid, which has the formula H2SO4. Soaps में इस्तेमाल होता है. Soaps and detergents, sulfuric acid is used in these items. The below is the bag that is called fertilizers. Fertilizers also contain acers. In manufacture of paints and manufacture of rubber, all these things are very much important in our life, and they are used for different purposes, industrially and domestically too. We will discuss the different aspects of these acids in the next slide. Now, the chemical properties. Chemical properties of the acers are how they react with different things. Like number one, they react with metals. Most dilute acids, except nitric acid, react with many metals. For example, copper, silver, to form salt and hydrogen gas. Like magnesium when reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. We may write this equation as Mg plus H2SO4 arrow MgSO4 प्लस H2. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ Mg के साथ हमने स्मॉलर s लिखा है. स्मॉलर s मीन्स दिस इज इन सॉलिड फॉर्म. इन एक्वस AQ H2SO4 के साथ AQ का एक हमने छोटा सा ब्रैकेट्स में लिखा है. दैट मीन्स एक्वा मीन वाटर. इन वाटर मीडियम MgSO4 aqueous and H2 के साथ हमने smaller g लिखा है. It means gas. So these are called state symbols. In examination, sometime the examiners ask, write the state symbols, and you have to write this. Acids react with metal oxides to form salt and water, like copper oxide. When react with nitric acid, copper second nitrate is formed, plus water is formed. If we write the equation CuO plus HNO3 arrow CuNO3 twice plus H2O plus H2O. CuO is copper oxide. When reacts with nitric acid, it forms copper nitrate, CuNO3 twice plus H2O. State symbols, we have to write these state symbols with them, like copper oxide is solid, nitric acid is aqueous, copper nitrate is aqueous, and water is liquid. Here we see that we have to also balance the equations too. For example, हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है HNO3 को 2 से, बिकॉज हमने इक्वलाइज करना है नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन ऑन बोथ साइड्स, नंबर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन को, तो इसे कहते हैं बैलेंसिंग ऑफ द इक्वेशन. देन वी कम टुवर्ड्स एसिड्स रिएक्ट विद मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड्स टू फॉर्म salt and water. Metal hydroxides are bases, जैसा कि NaOH है, KOH है, KOH, CaOH twice है. So these are the bases. Metal hydroxides are the bases, while non-metals के जितने भी यानी compounds हैं, like hydrochloric acid H2SO4, ये usually bases acids हैं. तो when NaOH sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride plus water. The equation may be described NaOH plus HCl, arrow NaCl plus H2O. We have formed salt and water. NaCl is the common salt which is formed here. The next chemical property of acids is acid react with all metal carbonates to form salt and water plus carbon dioxide. याद रखिएगा, जब भी कोई कार्बोनेट और बाइकार्बोनेट मीन हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट किसी भी एसिड से रिएक्ट करता है तो साल्ट और वाटर के साथ साथ CO2 gas is also liberated. So we can write this equation. Their example of the equation is calcium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid, arrow calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate CaCO3, hydrochloric acid is HCl, arrow CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Here we again see that we have to multiply HCl with 2 to balance the equation. हमें यहाँ इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करना होता है. The next slide is about the effect of acids. Effect of acid is कि acids in the atmosphere cause pollution, like carbon dioxide, acidic in nature. Sulfur dioxide is also acidic because when they dissolve in rainwater, they form acids like H2SO3, then CH2CO3, कार्बनिक एसिड वगैरह बनते हैं. एसिड रेन का मतलब है कि जब हवा में मौजूद एसिडिक गैसेस रिएक्ट करती हैं पानी के साथ तो एसिड्स बनते हैं. When water falls in the form of rain, it is in acidic medium because इनमें एसिड डिजॉल्व हो चुके हैं. Dilute and weak acids are there which come on the ground. They also fall on the leaves of the trees, on the plants, human skin. So acid rain is very much harmful, usually for the buildings, different types of buildings having marbles, because उनका जो मार्बल स्टोन है वो उससे रिएक्ट करके हम कहते हैं इरोड हो जाता है. मींस उसमें से उसके अंदर दरारें पड़ जाती हैं, उसका डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ उसके जो उसके ब्यूटिफिकेशन होती है उसकी ख़त्म हो जाती है. और इस तरह से स्टैचूज़ होते हैं वो भी डिफरेंट मार्बल मटेरियल्स के बने होते हैं, तो वो भी इसी तरीके से इफ़ेक्ट होते हैं. So we see that acid rain causes damage to the buildings, damage to the plant leaves and human skin. Acid rain is caused by pollution. ये हमारे यहाँ जो pollution है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वगैरह उसकी वजह से होती हैं. इसके साथ ही कुछ हम समराइज करते हैं कि we wanted to discuss about mineral acids. Their examples are given, explained in the equations, but you have to see the table 2 on the page 171. Mineral acids like H2SO4, sulfuric acid, nitric acid HNO3, hydrochloric acid HCl, carbonic acid H2CO3, sulfurous acid H2SO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4. They are very much important. एक और चीज़ वो हमने थोड़ा सा इसको मिस किया है कि एसिड्स की एक ख़ास प्रॉपर्टी वो ये है कि एसिड्स टर्न लिटमस पेपर फ्रॉम ब्लू टू रेड. Acids turn the blue litmus paper to red. और दूसरी बात कि acids are electrolytes, means कि they are ionic in nature, they form ions and they conduct electric current. Dilute acids react with many metals except copper, silver and gold. ये आपको हम बताएंगे क्योंकि ये जो कॉपर, सिल्वर और गोल्ड हैं दे आर लीस्ट रिएक्टिव. ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में हाइड्रोजन से नीचे हैं, इसलिए ये उसे रिएक्ट नहीं करते हैं. द होमवर्क असाइन्ड इज you have to draw the equations of the properties of acids ताकि आप कुछ ना कुछ गेन्स कर सकें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बेस्ट विशेज़।